It's really easy to move pages in TYPO3. I simply select the page I wish to move and drag it to its new location. In my first example, I want to move my example page further down the page tree. When I perform this action, I'm asked whether I want to copy or move this page to its new location. In this example, I want to move it. In my next example, I want to move my page so that it is nested inside a parent page. Again, I drag it and place it over its parent page and position it appropriately. If I want to copy a page, I drag it to its new location and select Copy when prompted. Note that when you copy a page, all of its content is also copied to its new location. To delete a page, I have two options. I can either drag the page to the right-hand side and place it into the trash, or I can right-click on a page and select Delete. And that's how we move, copy and delete pages in TYPO3 version 13.